This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the movie pop-up card. So I have already glued my panel pieces here in place, and now I'm going to prep my base before we start assembling the inserts. So you just want to fold these. And then we're going to glue down these sections. We're going to glue these down right to the inside of the card. Do that to all four. And then once that is adhered, you're just going to set that aside. Okay, so our base pieces. We have our movie clapboard. And this one is the front insert. And the movie camera, this is two pieces that I've already glued together. And you will want to use a good heavy cardstock so that that's not flimsy and flop over on you. I use 80-pound AC cardstock. So with all these layers, this is nice and sturdy, and that's how you want that to be. And then I'm going to pull in here my center. This has already been glued together. It's doubled. And again, you want to make sure you've got a good sturdy cardstock. And then these stars fit exactly. Um, may not have picked the right stars to go in this one. Okay. Then I'm going to pull in the base, and you're going to take a look at your pieces, and you've got only one base piece here that has and a slit on the fold. This is your top, and this is your center piece that goes in. And the center piece on this card is the camera. And then the clapboard is in front, and your movie strip is in back. So then I'm going to bring this over, and I'm just going to pull these pieces out like this and work with this one first. And you feed it in through the top and then down through the bottom and fold this up. Make sure that that glues into place well. Then flip your card back over and start with this one. It goes into the slit to the back, through the top, and down through the bottom. Then you fold this tab up and glue it in place. Okay. Flip it back. Now your movie camera is going in the center, and that one's going to go in. It's kind of hard to see here. So I'm looking to see if I have a piece of white paper. Let me pull one here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to flip this bottom up, and we're going to glue it to the bottom here of the center base. Okay, so we're just going to glue it just to the movie base. So I'm just going to put glue just right down here on the bottom. Then I'm going to flip this up and glue it in place. Then you need to glue the tab down on the top to your center. And then when you push up on your card here, everything should lift up with it. Okay, if you push this up and this piece stays down, then you have not glued it to your center. So make sure you do that. And then we're going to put glue on both these tabs. We're going to fold this bottom one up and leave the top one down. We're going to come over and we're going to glue these together. Okay. So you really want to make sure this glue adheres. You've got a lot of dimension here in the center, so you just have to make sure that sticks. And then we're just testing it. We're pushing up to make sure everything goes up. The card opens. It's working, so now we're going to close it up. And there it is. There is the movie pop-up card. Thank you for joining me.